Kelly, you want to bang again?
No.
Please join me in the Lord's Prayer and the Pledge of Allegiance.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory forever. Amen. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, roll call.
All right, Mr. Dolan? Here. Mr. Dudley?
Yes.
Mr. Humphrey?
Yes.
Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Mr. Singleton?
Yes. Do I have a motion to accept the agenda and addendum?
I'll move.
Second. Sorry about that, we had a lot of stuff come in extremely last minute this month.
Roll call.
All right, Mr. Humphrey?
Yes.
Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Mr. Singleton?
Yes.
Mr. Dolan?
Yes.
Mr. Dudley?
Yes.
Okay, no administrators report, public participants. Move on to the treasurer's report. Mr. Gregg.
All right, have approval of the minutes from the May 21st regular meeting, approval of the May financial report, approval of the 3 then announced certificates, approval of the final amendments to permanent appropriations and estimated resources, approving the renewal of reliability and cyber insurance plans, no changes, just staying with what we have. G, that's just the EMIS building stipend that we give to the elementary middle school secretaries. H, this is just another resolution that has to be passed so that we can hopefully get our solar financing wrapped up. It's just been a very long process, but we're the first in the area, so that's having to set up the improvement district's what's taking forever. But once it's done, it will be there forever, so that will help, in the future. And then I, it's just, once again, just an annual contract with the Honor Estates Office to prepare financial statements. That's it.
There's just a lot of red tape, because there's so many government entities involved. But,
Yeah, and I mean, in other parts of the state, they've been around for years. It's just there's none in this area. That's just the issue.
I gotta ask, how much is liability insurance for cyber?
A lot. I mean,
A year? Just
It's become a big thing.
we have it built into our policy and we have a separate policy. I mean, you're talking, you could talk up to $20,000 a year, it's, and your liability policy's 40 to 50,000, so that just tells you how much.
Well, and it's got to be such a big deal. They changed the state constitution last year to allow you to negotiate with cyber terrorists because they've gotten schools in such bad spots, and the law said you can't negotiate with them. You just, and schools were completely stuck. No money, couldn't access their bank account, all kinds of craziness.
Like, it's a crazy thing across the state right now.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay, do I have a motion?
Motion.
Second?
I'll second.
Any other discussion? Roll call.
All right, Mr. Dudley,
Yes.
Mr. Humphrey,
Yes.
Mr. Jones,
Yes.
Mr. Singleton,
Yes.
Mr. Dolan.
Yes.
Anything on committees?
I have a couple things from the state legislature. House Bill 88 is going to require schools to teach about fentanyl and fentanyl safety in schools. So that's something that's going to impact our district. And also, the state Senate has approved a bill that restricts sex offenders from school events and schools. In the past, they could get permission to go, like if their child was playing,
Right.
they could get permission. Now the movement is, it doesn't matter. They're not allowed.
Which is a good decision, because
Yes.
you couldn't
Yes.
stop it. It was crazy legally.
Right.
Right. Yeah, so those are both going to impact the district in a positive way.
Right, a couple
Yeah.
of,
Yeah.
couple of very good points.
Yeah. And also for Mideast, they're starting an esthetician, I have a harder time saying that, esthetician program, which will start in the 27th school year, which is facials and stuff like that. But they had, I think they said close to 150 kids expressed interest in it.
Wow.
So, you know, and that's just something else that, you know, we'll be able to provide to our students that are interested.
It's for these like anti-aging
Yeah, just
centers and stuff,
just doing facials and you know, massages and stuff like that.
On buildings and grounds, me and Dalton went out 2 weeks ago.
2 or 3 now.
Yeah, and went to the new high school, pretty impressive. Anybody else, athletic? No. Brad?
Season's over.
Nope.
Okay, let's move, any old business? Nothing?
Yes, Darian Snyder, sorry, I was still looking up there above. Darian Snyder, Masters plus 15 adjustment, if I could have a motion for that.
Second?
Darren?
Roll call.
All right, Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Mr. Singleton?
Yes.
Mr. Dolan?
Yes.
Mr. Dudley?
Yes.
Mr. Humphrey?
Yes.
And the superintendent's report.
All right, not a lot here, most of it's sports related hirings, and then we get into some other things. B, accept the following resignations, these are tough ones. Bev Cullen had been here since I came back 10 years ago and just did an amazing job. I'm sure you worked with Bev about that. Like, I still don't know to this day how she ended up with Dave Gray, but fantastic lady. JP Ray, obviously we talked about it last month, but he has taken the position at Shenandoah. C, virtual speech agreements we've been doing the last couple of years. If you know kids that need a job, get them licensed in speech because you can't find those people. We're school psych. D, these are all tied to this one, but we had to create this job description for Director of Operations. I know we've all talked about it, but ideally, this is going to take over all those things that principals have had to do on the side and do it directly. So not only does it take things off, it lets them get back to being principals. You know, principals anymore, you're doing safety plans and, you know, all these things, food services, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. We've been looking for somebody to do that for a while so principals can focus on kids and staff, and I think we finally found that and worked that out. So that's the job description. The update to the administrative agreements tied to that, because we didn't have that position before. The hiring of it in F. G, approve leave of absence for Missy Lappert as presented. She's just taking a year leave of absence. And H, that's the turf maintenance guy that we hire every year, does a fantastic job. He's gonna come out and clean and do all that stuff here, I think, next week, so we need to pay him. So A through H, please.
Do we have a motion?
I'll make a motion.
Second?
Second. Right.
Brad?
Any discussion on it, anybody? Roll call.
Mr. Dolan?
Yes.
Mr. Dudley?
Yes.
Mr. Humphrey?
Yes.
Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Mr. Singleton?
Yes.
All right, and I was telling you guys ahead of time, we had a 9-person interview committee for the elementary principal's position, and I think I remember one other time this happened. We interviewed 6 candidates and had a unanimous decision, and that's Kelly Zender. She will be the new Director of Elementary Education and work with Shelley Stowers next year. Can I please have a motion for that?
I'd be honored if I could make the motion.
Fantastic.
Second.
Is that Brad?
Roll call.
Right, Mr. Jones?
I'm sorry, we were talking down here. I'm sorry.
He never talks
Yes.
about me like that. I have him in class.
Mr. Singleton?
Oh, I talk about it.
Mr. Singleton?
I'll abstain.
Mr. Dolan?
Yes.
Mr. Dudley?
Yes.
Mr. Humphrey?
Yes.
I have no correspondence or information items.
Okay, we're gonna do a short executive session to discuss, the purchase or sale of property. Do I have there will be no action taken after. Do I have a motion for executive session?
I'll move.
I'll second.
Time in? 6:08.
Moving.
We need a vote, roll call, I guess. Mr. Humphrey,
Yes.
Mr. Jones,
Yes.
Mr. Singleton,
Yes.
Mr. Dolan,
Yes.
Mr. Dudley.
Yes.
Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you.
Yes, thank